Status pure with cooling effect.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do sound design in Capcut. Open Capcut on your mobile. Create a new project. Go to Photos. And then select your background and put it onto your timeline. Extend the length of your background. And then go to Overlay. Add Overlay. And then select your image and put it onto your timeline. Also, increase the length of your image and make sure that your image is out of frame. Now at the beginning of your image layer, set a keyframe and move a few frames. And then drag your image to the center of your frame. And then again, move a few frames, set another keyframe. In the toolbar, go to Effects and then Video Effects. This top menu will pop up and then scroll all the way to Nature. Tap onto Nature and this menu will open this pop-up that represents nature. And then scroll down to the 7th row and choose the shutter effect. You can also adjust the speed of your effect, also the atmosphere of your effect. Let's just try to adjust the speed and press on the check mark. Now it's time for us to add our text. In the toolbar, go to Text and then Add Text. And then we can start writing our text. Go to the text bar and type cooling effect. And go to fonts. You can use any font that you like. For this example, we are going to use a font type called Rubik. And now go to Effects. Scroll down to the 3rd row and go to the 4th column and use this effect. Now it's time for us to animate our text. Go to Animations. Scroll down to the 6th row and on the 2nd column, use the zoom in animation. And now reposition your text. Now we are going to start designing our sound. Go to the part where your image starts to freeze, just about here. Go to Audio and then go to Sound Effects, and in the search bar type freezing eyes. Go to the 2nd sound effect and put it onto your timeline. And then reduce the size of your sound effect and make sure that it ends where the eyes shattering starts. Go back to Sound Effects and in the toolbar type glass shatter. Choose the 2nd sound effect and put it onto your timeline. And reduce the length of your sound effect. Now we are going to add a voiceover to our project. Open your browser and type TTS-MP3. That's a text-to-speech website that I'm going to use for our voiceover. And this is how the interface looks like. And this is the part where you write your text. After you've written your text, you are going to select your voiceover. As you can see, we've got different names for both male and female. But for this project, we are going to use Matthew's voice. And again, you got the ability to listen to the voiceover before you download it.
Status pure with cooling effect.
And then when you're satisfied with your voiceover, you can download it as an MP3 file. Go back to Capcut and open your project again. Scroll to the part where the text starts to appear. Then you can import your voiceover onto your timeline. In the toolbar, go to Audio, and then Sounds, go to File, and then Device. And you can scroll until you find that sound effect, put it on your timeline. Here's the final project.
Status pure with cooling effect.
If you found value in today's video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Until the next video, peace.